Alright, read it. Be in that frame, be there. Yes. Right.
Sir,
Sir, comma, today,
my turn was on the last bench.
on the last bench. Okay? Because
Rotation is going on.
rotation is going on. Okay? But yesterday,
Man
man changed
seat of Samir
seat of Sameer
with
Ravneet. Okay? So,
He wasn't. He was.
so full stop or comma will be there. Full stop, okay? Then
He
he
want to sit with Ravneet
Ravneet because tomorrow they okay can
sit on
sit on first
first bench.
bench.
Yes.
All right. So, is he able to express his idea? Is he able to express his idea?
Yes, sir.
How nicely? How much score will you give him for expressing his idea? 10 out of 10. Okay. Now let me correct it, okay? It is good. What he has done is very good. Clap for him. Please go down. But if you will use a number of sentences, you should use proper combiners, conjunctions, proper combiners or conjunctions, so that the meaning comes out even more correctly. The meaning comes out even more correctly. Example, when a small child learns to speak, he or she does not make complete sentence. Say for example, the parent is in bathroom and a guest knocks at the door. Parent is at the bathroom and guest knocks the door. Then how the child will say to the parent that somebody is waiting outside the door and is knocking the door too? So child will not be able to make a complete sentence. The child will not be able to make a complete sentence. In that case, the child will say, mother, mother, somebody is outside, knocking. Will that be understood by mother? Will that be clear? No, why not? Somebody knocking, is it not clear? Somebody knocking the door, not clear? Okay, then as a child, okay, somebody become my mother, who will become my mother? He becomes my mother, come out. Okay, who will knock the door? Okay, you go and knock the door. Okay. So say for example, my mother is there in the bathroom or in the puja room, wherever, and somebody knocks the door, and I am a small boy, and knock the door. Mother, mother, door knocking, knocking. Will you not understand? Will you not understand? You will not understand? Oh my God. Then I have to speak grammatically correct sentence then. Now I will have to say, mother, there is somebody outside the door who is knocking it. Then you will understand? Okay. I think mother will be able to understand both ways. Please come in. Thank you. I think mother will be able to understand both ways. But the first way of expressing was a childish way. What kind of way? But as a student in high school, you should be able to write correct sentence. Possible? Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Say, yes it is. Is it possible?
Yes, it is.
Is it possible?
Yes, it is.
Say, yes it is. Not yes. Yes it is.
Yes,
Very
it
good.
is.
Now we will correct this sentence. Sir, today my turn. Now today my turn is not a complete phrase even. Not even a complete sentence. So what is missing here? Sir, today is my turn. Okay, sir, today it is my turn. Okay, today it is my turn. To do what? To do what? To sit. It is my turn to sit on the last bench. On the last bench. As we are following rotation system. Rotation system. We are following a system in which we change our seat in a rotational manner. So all these big words can be condensed by saying rotation system. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, today it is my turn to sit on the last bench as we are following rotation system. Full stop. But yesterday man changed. Yesterday, man, or you can write a teacher, changed Sameer's seat. Permanently or temporarily? Temporarily. Sameer's seat temporarily. Temporarily. Temporarily means not for always. Temporarily means not for always. So, sir, today it is my turn to sit on the last bench as we are following rotation system. But yesterday a teacher changed Sameer's seat temporarily. So, he want is wrong. It should be he wants. Okay. With he, she, it. Verb plus s or es will be there. With it, she and he. Verb plus s or es will be there. Alright?
Yes, sir.
So verb plus es or s will be there with dash, dash and dash.
He, she, and
He, she and it. So he wants to continue. He wants to continue to sit with
Navneet.
Ravneet. I am disagreeing to it. I am disagreeing to it. ठीक है? Means I am not agreeing to this system. That although there is rotation system of sitting in the class, still Samir wants to sit in the same way as the teacher wanted him to sit yesterday with Ravneet temporarily. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
So you have to be very cautious while writing sentences. Alright?
Yes,
So you can write down the correct sentence and you have to make sentences using rotation and temporary. One sentence with rotation and one sentence with temporary. Alright?
yes, sir.
Thank you.